Today we're getting bags installed on the GTI. Let's go. Just a sneak peek of what I've done to the car right there, WRC bumper. Let's get into it. I'll show you guys a sneak peek once I get there. So I just arrived and this is what we're working with now, guys. Done a whole lot of modifications. I did headlights, did bumper, bottom lip, yeah, and then rims. I know y'all were not happy with the old rims, but here it is. Let me just do a few cinematic shots for you. Okay, he just arrived. Let me show you guys the Bluetooth air suspension I got from Facebook Marketplace. Hey, got Facebook. Got these for the back and the double bellows for the front. Now we bought a truck, and I put coilovers not so long ago, like a month ago. But I'm getting it removed, and now we're doing bags. And guys, don't mind this piece. I actually got this bumper for cheap, and yeah, that middle piece, it's either I buy the whole center grill brand new or just try and fix that, and I'm trying to fix that. So let's check out this guy's fucking air suspension, dog. Check it. Oh my god. Damn. This guy's on the floor. Tucked in properly. That looks nice. I'm gonna ask him to maybe pull it up for me. Let me see. Check it. Clean. Nah, I need to get a better shot of that. Yeah, so this guy's low. Yeah, so it's not. Right now I'm fixing this. Yeah, I was fixing my car the other day when I was doing the bumper. I don't know what that is. I was fixing the bumper and then the mechanic broke the clip. But now I managed to put very strong adhesive so it can also sit properly. This is my morning food. Pretty good brand. I was done with the bag. So guys, it's almost done, and you know, it's going faster than I thought. So it's done with one side now, it's on the other side now. Just gonna take a video of him setting up the compressor and stuff. Okay, the car is still jacked up, but you can see now. Yeah, so okay, this is how the car is sitting right now. They're done with 3 sides. The 4th side, just left to remove this shock so you can finish up, and then at the back, yeah. Almost done. And it's not even 5 o'clock yet. I think I got here around 10 or 11. Pretty good. So around 5 will be done with everything. It is now, let me check the time. It is 5:50, I don't know whether you can see that. And we're done. So, he's done fitting that side. Yeah, I heard it also, yeah. So now we're done. Took just a few hours, man. And obviously there were breaks in between, hence why it took this long, but yeah, didn't take much time. It's 5:50, 10 minutes to 6. And I got you around 10 or 11, going to 11. And then he started at like 11:30. Yeah. The sun is golden right now, so I'm just waiting for them to like check down the car so I can take a few clips for y'all and hopefully you enjoy this. The previous owner forgot the password, unfortunately. And I have to go to his house now for him to connect again and then say forgot password on his app. Because I've been trying all the passwords, but the car is just sitting on the floor now. On the floor, but it's not time for jokes. Like, it's serious. Like, but he's gonna try and raise it for me enough to go to that nigga's house. It's pretty late now even. We've been trying all the passwords. Let me just show you how it looks. So this is how the car looks now. He's just gonna raise it a bit enough for me to go home. But the previous owner did forget the password. And I need to do a C-notch that side because this side is tucked in. And then when you come this side, you can see it's not really tucked in. But it still looks nice, I'm not gonna lie. Not sure about that C-notch. No, it looks... But obviously for the rubbing, it's gonna be rubbing that side, but the car is sitting. I don't want it too low, so I also didn't want it too low. Because things mustn't bump me. As soon as I got home, this control arm decides to come out. So I don't think it was secured nicely. I confronted the guy and he was just denying everything. It is the next morning right now and we have an issue. We have a problem. Let me just show you right here. So yesterday, right, after getting here, I struggled to connect to the Bluetooth, right? I went to the owner in Boksburg, drove back. Couldn't connect because apparently I'm not supposed to put like signs and whatnot on the password. So when you put in your password, don't put any funny signs, just put numbers or letters. So I'm reversing now, full swing. Let me show you what happened. Look at this wheel is looking this way, man. This way. Look at this wheel. So I contacted the bro. I'm like, bro, something is wrong. I think something is wrong. I heard a noise. It's like, hey. The lighter said he didn't touch anything there. But look at this. What is this right here? Look at this. What is this? This is the control arm, bro, of the car. The control arm came off. Imagine. And I called this bro. I'm like, bro, the control arm came off. I showed him the proof. Mind you, I've had coilovers for a whole month. I had coilovers installed. I wasn't happy with the install because I would hear bumps here and there. But this never happened. I'm like, bro, this thing came out. It's like, nah, it's not his fault, blah, blah, blah. At first, I was gonna like send him clients, you know what I mean? Like the usual, someone does a great job. You don't see any imperfections and whatnot. You send your brews there. They also get their bags, but this guy is unreliable. So apart from that, my boot setup,